Hola, 8th grade. I'm gonna make this video here to go over the intro vocabulary practice sheets that you started earlier this week. I'm not sure if you got through it. You guys are all in Valentine today at the LSEs, and congratulations to you guys. I know you worked hard at that. So let's go over this as quickly as we can, okay? All right, so number 1, ¿cómo se llama el maestro de matemáticas? Okay. El maestro de matemáticas se llama Mr. McCleary. Okay, so we're looking for el maestro, so the guy teacher, okay, or the male teacher, okay. Number 2, ¿cómo se llama la maestra de inglés? Okay. You're practicing the female teacher. So, la maestra de inglés se llama Mrs. Rowan or Miss Keeber, okay. Número 3, ¿quién es el amigo de Greg Heffley? Okay, so ¿quién, looking at that question word wall on the east wall in the classroom, ¿quién means who? So who is the friend, el amigo, or the guy friend of Greg Heffley? Okay, so we take our noun right there. We put it at the beginning. El amigo de Greg Heffley is Rowley Jefferson. Okay. Number 4 is asking ¿quién es la amiga de Olaf? Okay. La amiga, the female friend. So I'm looking for one of the female characters in Frozen. So I would probably say la amiga de Olaf es Princess Anna. Okay. All right. Number 5, ¿quién tiene músculos grandes? And if you guys would take note here that I did not put the accent on the U in your Prezi. You need to have that in there. I missed it, and I don't want you to miss it. So let's get that in there, músculos grandes, and that means that I'm going to accent that first vowel, okay? So músculos grandes, okay? And we haven't learned TNA, but we are going to be learning it soon. TNA means he has or she has. Okay, so it's the third person of has. So who has? ¿Quién tiene músculos grandes? Okay, well, of course, you would think of John Cena, right? John Cena tiene músculos grandes. And número 6, ¿quién tiene músculos pequeños? I think maybe Kevin, el niñón, tiene músculos pequeños. Okay. All right, number 7, ¿quién tiene una nariz grande? Okay, so una nariz grande, a big nose. Okay, well, Tommy's going to know the answer to this one. Klinger. Maybe it's with a C. I have no idea. Clinger from MASH. Tiene una nariz grande. If you don't know who Klinger from MASH is, you need to look it up on a YouTube video. Good show. Old show. Number 8. ¿Quién tiene una nariz pequeña? Okay. Okay. Well, let's say Dane. He's a little baby. Dane tiene una nariz pequeña. Sorry. Okay. All right. Number 9. Oh, ¿Cómo se llama la niña de Mrs. Dvorak? Okay. Well, we're practicing la niña, the little girl. So, la niña de Mrs. Dvorak se llama E-O-R. Can't type and talk at the same time. La niña de Mrs. Dvorak se llama Alice. Okay. ¿Cómo se llama el niño de Brandy? Okay. So we're practicing el niño, the little boy, even though he's not a little boy anymore. He's a college kid. But anyway, it's still her little boy, I guess. El niño de Brandy se llama Andrew. Okay. Okay. And our last one, last two, muchacho famoso and muchacha famosa. So muchacho, a guy, and muchacha, a gal or girl. Okay. So, ¿quién es un muchacho famoso? Let's do Donald Trump. Es un muchacho famoso. And for number 12, oops. ¿Quién es una muchacha famosa? Hillary Clinton es una muchacha famosa. Okay, so you can say, answer these whatever way you want. Yeah, you can give whatever person you want to answer the question. The only thing to be concerned about is are you understanding what the vocabulary is and putting it in the correct order, okay? So that is the intro vocabulary practice. If you guys had any questions on it, I would like you guys to submit it to Schoology so that I can see what you're understanding and what we still need to work on, okay? Have a good day. I hope to see you guys on Friday. Adios.